I didn't get far. I fueled it up, and it is just pouring fuel, not out of these two hoses from the tank, but further up. I mean, I think this tank is ruptured. Yeah, the tank is leaking. Yeah, it's wet up here. It's dripping here. Here you can see what's going on. It's just drooling out of this thing. Not good. Not good at all. As you can clearly see, this is the original plastic tank. They didn't properly seal on the inside, so fuel vapors seep through the plastic as they do with any dirt bike tank from the 70s or 80s, and it lifts the paint. That's a good one there. And eventually, I think you'd lose the integrity of the plastic, but... All right, so we have the tank apart. Ooh, ooh, whoa, there we go. There we fucking go. Fucking rotted right through. That's pretty good for plastic. All right, let's turn this. Look at that son of a bitch. You fucker. Look at that. Deterioration. The plastic's all weakened. We found our problem. And this is what happens. Look at this shit. The fuel vapors leak through the tank. They lift huge sections of paint, and it traps the fuel vapors between the paint and the plastic. In this case, that's not even the issue. This tank was not thick enough in this area. It's become weak, flexible. I mean, it's very rubbery-like. And, you know, you guys with the R1100RTs, you're okay. It's not a painted tank. I've never seen an RT tank leak. You guys with the R1100RS, be concerned. Keep an eye on your fuel tank. I have had a couple RSs here with drooling tanks before. There was a recall. It's not still active. BMW is replacing these shitty plastic tanks with steel ones, as we're probably going to have to do with this one.